We are here at the GoPro Mountain Games in Vail, Colorado, my very first mountain games, and we're here for a couple of reasons. One, because I want to participate in the mountain games, so I'm going to be running a 10K and mountain biking in the cross-country mountain bike race. Two, I'm just curious to see what the GoPro Mountain Games is all about, what kind of vibe is going on here in Vail. And finally, this is supposedly a zero waste event, meaning there's almost no actual waste going to a landfill during and after the event. And frankly, I'm quite curious to see how that all pans out in an event of this caliber and size. So I'm excited. Let's go check it out. So the GoPro Mountain Games is like one part outdoor festival, one part sort of outdoor expo with tons of brands participating and exhibiting, and part competition of all kinds of outdoor sports, from like slackline to whitewater kayaking to mountain biking and trail running. There's a lot going on here. Plus, there's a music festival component. So there's live music happening at various stages throughout the day that's free, but there are also bigger name bands playing at the amp. So if you are into the whole music festival scene, you can go there. It's just very lively here, and a really good mix of like athletes and people just coming to hang out and have fun. Families, individuals, young, old, everybody is here and seemingly having a pretty decent time. As for the competition side of things, I participated, let's say, in the 10K trail run and the mountain bike cross-country race, which was less cross-country than just up and then down and then back up and then back down again. But it was a blast. I didn't do particularly well in either of them, but I may have had the most fun, so that counts for something. Yeah! Woo! Dad! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! I didn't quite make it. And there were all kind of stages of competitors here. There were definitely people like pushing it hard and competing for cash prizes, and then people like me and maybe even less fit than me that are just out here for a good time, to have fun and get some exercise in the outdoors. Both races were hard. My body is tired and it would like to recover now, because I did do mountain bike race, which was about 7 miles the day before the 10K trail run. I like these flatty, shady bits. It's a lot uphill. Woo! So pretty though. So I think I need to rest now. But both were amazing, and what a beautiful area to run and mountain bike in. As for the zero waste component, I was pretty impressed actually. Basically every single cup, plate, napkin, utensil was biodegradable or compostable, and that was across vendors. There were trash cans everywhere that had separate bins for recycling, compostables, and landfill trash. And not only that, but they had crews of volunteers just lapping the massive event with gloves and trash picker-uppers and looking into trash cans to grab out stuff that didn't belong and put it in the correct receptacle. Like, that's a big deal. Then at the end of the day, all of the trash from the whole day goes to this area they call the boneyard, where more volunteers more thoroughly sort every bag of garbage just to make sure everything's getting to the right place and there's little to no stuff actually going to the landfill, which is pretty incredible. Was everything zero waste? Well, no. There were zip ties to attach my competitor number to my bike, so things like that. I'm not sure what to do with my actual bib number now, because I don't think that's compostable or recyclable. So there are little things here and there that I was seeing that seem like they probably can't be recycled or composted, but overall, this was way better than most events I've ever been to that are just giving out plastic crap left and right. There were no cheap sunglasses wrapped in plastic or anything like that, garbagey giveaways that you see from a lot of these types of events. So 2 thumbs up for sustainability. I would totally come back to Vail for the GoPro Mountain Games. I mean, the lively atmosphere, the booths, the vendors, hang out in the athlete lounge if you're a competitor. It's just a good time. And then, you know, like depending on where you're staying, we're at the Antlers. There's a pool, there's a hot tub afterwards. You know, there's lots of stuff happening, restaurants. You can just chill and hang out afterwards in Vail and just enjoy yourself. It's a really fun time. If you like this video, feel free to check out some of these other ones. I bet you'll like those too. And then get out there and wander on. Maybe at the GoPro Mountain Games.